Hello class, my name is Gaston. Today I am going to make crepes. The ingredients are 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, 1 egg, sugar, vanilla, butter, and 1 pan. The steps are: we mix the ingredients until they are well together without stopping mixing. Once the pan is hot, we drop a necessary amount of mixture. Now the crepes are ready. We decorate them with the sweet we want. Thank you.